name is Ryan Zeck. I'm an elite applications engineer working for Trimec Solutions out of Charlotte, North Carolina. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about moving your sketch and a couple of different ways to do that. First off, what I want to do is go ahead and make a change to a sketch. If I wanted to move it with the sketch fully defined, what I would like to do is go ahead and probably just remove this relationship, and then I can move this around no problem. Obviously, if I want to move it to a different location, I just drag it and I can drop it right there in place. Probably have to fix a little bit of dimensions, but not too bad to move it, a sketch if it's fully defined. The problem really becomes when you maybe don't have any any dimensions on this. So let me go ahead and remove them. All you have to do is just select one dimension, hit Control A, it selects all the like items. And what we want to do is actually, now at this point, if we remove this relationship and try to drag it, now you can see it doesn't move and keep it proportional. So there's a quick easy way around this. You highlight your sketch and then you hold down the Control key and start to drag it, and you notice that it's moving it, but it's going to make a copy until you release the Control key. If you release the Control key, the little plus symbol goes away, and now you can just drop it at your new reference, and voila, you have moved your sketch that is not fully defined. Now we can go through and go ahead and throw some dimensions on there, and we should be good to go. One other thing that I wanted to point out is that if you want to rotate your sketch or mirror your sketch, a lot of times it's real easy if you know about this one tool. And when I was in industry, it really, I probably used it once a week at least. It's a little tool called Tools. It's under Tools, Sketch Tools. It's called Modify. So if you look for Modify, what this will allow you to do is go ahead and rotate your sketch. So if you type in 90 degrees there, you hit enter, it's going to rotate it by 90 degrees. Every time you hit enter, it's just going to keep rotating that around. Very helpful if you're trying to position something in a different way. Also, one way that you might want to use is if you look here real close, you can see that there's a couple of black circles. Those black circles, if you put your cursor over the top of them, notice that the right mouse button actually changes to a different icon. So if I left click or right click on that, it actually switches or it mirrors that sketch. Same thing for if I go over the top of that one, or if I go over the top of the middle one, then it actually mirrors it like completely, so vertically and horizontally. Just a few little ideas to help you get your sketching done faster and quicker. Until next time, I'm Ryan Zeck with Trimec, and happy designing.